Need like an action.
Ready to go.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Janvi, and this is Debbie, one of my lecturers in commerce.
We're going to answer some frequently asked questions about commerce at UQ.
So what is a Bachelor of Commerce about?
It's so much more than becoming an accountant or becoming a banker. It's about giving you the skills to succeed in those industries and also the opportunities so that you can add value to businesses and add value to the global economy. Do you need to be good at maths to study commerce?
While advanced math isn't a requirement to study commerce, I believe having a solid foundation in basic math is advantageous. Commerce covers so many different areas such as accounting, finance and economics, where numerical analysis and skills are very important. But various resources and assistance and support is available here at UQ to enable you to build on those concepts. What are the career opportunities that I could potentially have once I graduate? Could you share some examples?
So there are lots of opportunities, and that's a fantastic thing about a commerce degree. So if you're interested in finance, you can work in an investment bank. If you're interested in accounting, you can work as a corporate treasurer, as an auditor, or as an accountant. If you're interested in business information systems or business analytics, you can work in data science. What would you say to those watching who are considering studying commerce at UQ?
I would recommend researching the program thoroughly, talking to current students, and finding a specific business area that piques your interest. This will allow you to make a very informed decision of your passion and the diverse fields that commerce offers.
That's great advice.
Well, thanks for listening into our chat. Bye.
Bye.